Guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. Yeah, and this time, of course, I actually came here with loads of, what should I say, good news, or I will let you guys decide it, alright? So guess what? Just yesterday, few hours ago, Yoko actually posted something on her Insta story. Let me show you guys this. Have a look. Yeah. It seems like she was kinda singing a song. And guess what? She actually posted it on her TikTok. Yeah. The song she was singing, wow. And the song she was singing is super duper significant. Yeah. Let me show you guys the lyrics and the details, everything, about everything. But I would request you guys to please read everything carefully and please look at everything attentively. Alright, here you go. Okay. Wow. Right. Okay. Wow, wow, and wow. Seems like our Yoko is really trying to give us some kind of signals. She is giving us some kind of hints. Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. I mean, all out of a sudden, out of nowhere, she's doing all of this. Yes, ma'am. And why she actually chose that song specifically? Hmm. Maybe Yoko is missing certain someone. Yeah, certain someone whose name actually kinda starts with F. Do you guys know any person? Hmm. I actually have someone in my mind. It's actually Yoko's girlfriend. I'm kind of gross. Sorry, sorry. So yeah, I definitely think Yoko is giving us some sort of indirects. Yeah, that's must be this must be it. I mean, I got no other explanation for it. But as our Yoko said, don't look too much into these things. Again, she is giving us this. I mean, how can we not? How can we not read between the lines? How can we not, connect all the dots? I mean, how can we? How can we stay, away from this? How can we refrain from doing it so? Honestly, we can't. We just cannot. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so what's your opinion about it? What's your thoughts on this? Do you guys think that Yoko is, as I said, sending some kind of signal, sending some kind of indirect, or it's just pure coincidence and we are maybe over analyzing things? What do you guys think? What's your opinion about it? I wanna know. Yeah, but in the past couple of weeks, the way we have been seeing everything, the way everything is unfolding in front of our eyes, I definitely think she is kind of giving us some sort of hints. I mean, not to mention, as per contract, I don't think Yoko can say anything. I don't think she is on the position or in the condition to say anything to directly to us. Of course, she can't say anything. So that's why maybe she's doing all of this, and yeah, she is actually giving us hints, giving us indirects by doing all of these things. Don't you guys think? And not to mention, she of course knows our fandom. She of course knows that we look way too into these things. Of course she knows. I'm telling you guys, she is lurking around the Twitter with her fake Twitter account or burner account, whatever you said. Yeah, I'm pretty much sure she is actually keeping up with everything that happening inside the fandom. Yeah, I am sure of it because you guys know how Yuko is, right? She's super duper awesome. But yeah, I really think she is giving us hints. That's it. Now, Anna, I wanna know your opinion on it. I wanna know. Yeah. And wait, guys, wait. This is not the end. I have another thing to discuss with you guys. How should I say it? Okay, guys. At first, before saying this, let me show you guys the profile of both Faye and Yoko. Yeah, their TikTok profile. Here you go. Okay, right. Okay. So these are their profile on TikTok, their account, whatever you said. So I want you guys to go and check by yourself. Please go into the first video of Yoko that she recently just uploaded of the of singing one. Yeah, and please read out all of the comments. I just can't with our fandom. I just can't. Let me show you guys few comments from it. Have a look. Okay. Right. 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 Yeah. Man, I'm smiling so much. As you guys have seen those, comments. Wow. Our fandom, I'm telling you guys, our fandom is something else. Yeah. No one's ever got, something like something going like us. Wow. And wait, not only that, another thing. Go to the first video of Faiz. Just the day she actually uploaded. Yeah, dancing around. Yeah, and I have already uploaded a video on it. If you haven't watched it, yeah, go and watch it first. You are guys gonna love it. It's worth it. Trust me. Go and watch it first. Anyway, so as I was saying that in that video, first of all, I actually used the song "My Oh My Yo My Yo." You know it, right? And now you guys can guess the whole comment section. Yeah, I know you guys are smiling. Man, I just gotta stop laughing. I just gotta stop. Please, someone stop me. But how can I not laugh? Our fandom, man. Our fandom. The way our whole fandom is teasing both Faye and Yoko is on another level. I just love our fandom so much, guys. Yeah, yeah. Let me calm myself down.